Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today, I'm going to transform the way that you think about waffles. Oh yes, I've been making them for years. The recipe I have is missing one very important special ingredient, and that is yeast. Yes, yeast. Have you had those yeast donuts versus a cake donut? They're worlds apart. The yeast donuts are almost not exactly crispy on the outside, but they're soft and smooth on the inside. And that's what these waffles will be. Crisp on the outside, smooth in the interior, and utterly delicious. I'm making them because I love waffles, and also because we need a breakfast revolution. Well, you know, it's all about yeast. Add all of the ingredients together, and you'll notice there is no sugar in this recipe. The maple syrup is optional, and these waffles will keep in your refrigerator for a while, but they won't last. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups lukewarm milk, 6 tablespoons melted butter, optional 2 to 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or paste, 2 large eggs. The important ingredient, 1.5 teaspoons instant yeast going in. Combine together. It's okay if the mixture is not perfectly smooth. Let it rest at room temperature for 1 hour. Cover with plastic wrap. It's been an hour. Look at all those lovely bubbles. At this point, you could go ahead and cook your waffles if you want. Or, better yet, stick it in the refrigerator overnight and have them for breakfast the next morning to get the most flavor out of them. All right, it has been in the refrigerator for quite some time. Let's take a look. Oh ho ho, look at that. Look at all those bubbles. The yeast has been having a good time. Let's make them. Preheat your waffle iron and go ahead and spray it with some non-stick spray. Let's go ahead and put it in. Look at that, look at all those bubbles. Okay, let's close it up. Look at that, nice and crisp. Inspection time. You'll notice with the spray oil in the pan, it's almost frying it. We did talk about those fried donuts versus cake donuts. That is the difference. The outside is very crisp and delicious, and we're going to take a look at the interior. The interior of it is, look at that, it is nice and soft and moist, just as it should be with the crisp exterior. Let's take a bite. This is a delicious waffle. The yeast style waffles definitely outbeat the other kind any day of the week. They have a almost richer, smoother texture in the middle that has a little bit more depth and flavor to it because of the yeast. And with the exterior nice and crisp, this is a waffle I could eat every day. If I can do this, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram at Jen's Daily Dish and more. I'm going to put some strawberries on my waffles.